Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Today I'm going to show you how to install a dog door. First thing you want to do, measure your dog. Measure the width and the height, and then add 2 inches to both dimensions. Next, you want to measure the door and make sure your dog door is going to fit. There are several different sizes and price points of dog doors, including some models that can be installed inside your wall. Choose a dog door that best fits your situation. Use a flat blade screwdriver and a hammer to pop the hinge pins from the hinges, then carefully remove the door from the jamb and place it on a solid work surface. Use the dog door frame as a template, set it in the center of the door, and square it with the door left to right and top to bottom. The door cutout should be no less than 4 inches from the bottom of the door. Hold the door frame in place and using a pencil, trace around the outside edge of the frame. Make marks where the holes need to be drilled. At all your marks, drill 3/8 inch holes through the door. Using a jigsaw, start in one corner and cut the opening for the dog door along the outside of the line. All right, I test fitted the frame and the opening. Looks like it fits good. I'm going to add a bead of caulk all the way around the inside perimeter of the frame. Okay, the outer frame is in. Secure it with the screws provided. If you happen to have a raised panel door like this one, you'll want to add more caulk around the outside perimeter of the outer frame to keep water from coming in. That's it, dog door installed. Come on, Max. For more projects like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.